Hello parents. Hope you all are keeping safe. And today I'm going to talk about receptive language. How to teach our children the receptive language, how to start and how to go about it, what is it, and all those things. So let us go into the video. What is receptive language? Receptive language, and there is two different languages when we talk about autism especially, that is receptive language and expressive language. A child to express anything, before expressing, the child should have a knowledge about that the action or anything. The child should understand what it is expected. Most of the time you will see the children echolalia. Whatever you talk, they repeat like a parrot because they don't understand that they have to answer the question. There is a question and I'm answering the question. So making them to understand. To make them to understand again the vocabulary, they must have the vocabulary in the brain. In all these things have to be done step by step for our children to understand. So initially, I always prefer things to be done visually and kinesthetically. You know, most of if you have heard about ABA, they really have a separate part for receptive language. And if you have also seen my oral imitation skills, I would have told you, teach them actions, but don't name it. But now, when you come to the receptive language, you are not going to tell them, do this. You are going to name the actions. For example, clap. I like clap to be the first action because our children learns clapping very fast. So now we are going to teach clap. And the child, whenever you say clap, he is going to clap. If he is clapping, now you know that without any prompt, you know that the child have learnt that. So like that, you're going to list at least 10 activities and then look into the first word repeated at least twice or thrice. For example, tap, tap table, tap shoulder, tap thighs, tap side, sofa. So the tap, 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 tap is repeated, and then the secondary words are also of the actions are also there. You're emphasizing on tap, and slowly you can go wave, snap, stamp, like that. So now they have learned many words. The vocabulary have gone into their brain. Slowly now we are getting into the picture. As we started with the action, even in the pictures, I love to start with action words. Here I have a lot of pictures which talk about sitting, eating, laughing, bathing, cutting, cycling, waving, singing, writing, standing, catching, dancing, like that. So now if the child is verbal child, the child is going to say sitting. Show me the sitting picture. Sitting. Initially, when you introduce the concept, don't expect the child to just point. Take the hands of the child, show the picture so that the child knows that this is sitting. Teach the concept. And if it is a non-verbal child, you can teach them to even point, because our target is receptive language, increasing the vocabulary in their brain. So they will point. Eating, point. If it is verbal child, it will say eating and pointing. So now we are introducing many pictures. You can introduce actions, you can give vegetables, you can give fruits, you can give many other pictures. So a lot of vocabularies are developing. But now here it is single picture and the known picture. Actions. Kindly start with actions because it is their daily routine. Then slowly now you can go into my another video, the older video, which is called Go Together. That is also the another one which will really emphasize and enhance receptive language. For example, cup and sauce, needle and thread, pen and notebook. So what goes together? What comes together? That will be the next step. And then slowly you can go to the books where you have only pictures. But here I have pictures as well as few words. You can first give importance to the pictures. Remember the child. Now I'm talking about the verbal child. If the child knows how to count, you can ask, how many ducks are here? 1, 2, 3. The child will tell you 3 ducks. And if the child is non-verbal, you can even ask, show me the duck with red color shoes. So, because here there is a red color woolen inside the pocket, but you are going to ask a duck with the red color shoes, and then the child is going to point it. Once you have learnt, if the child have learnt and you have taught about more pictures, how to encourage with the pictures. Even here if you see there are ducks, 1, 2, 3. Where is the baby duck? Baby duck, what is the baby is doing? Sitting. So all those things. Then slowly you can start to read. Sony even roar them to the bed. Wore them to bed. Sorry, it's upside down. So when you read it, read the sentence, and at the same time you associate with the pictures. So that will be the last one. Now if you really see, you have started in the non-verbal level, like in the hand actions, and then you have gone to the action words, reading, showing pictures. You have reached to the level of reading stories. This is how from receptive language you are going to take a child to read a stories. In between you are teaching your phonic sounds and all those things are there, but these are the steps which really enhances the receptive language. So today we spoke about receptive language, and I'll come with another topic in my next video. Kindly subscribe, and I hope you all will try it and give me the feedback. Thank you.